Pick up the ball. Pick the ball up. You're not going to let her have it, huh? Come over here. Just come over here. She's trying to get Mom to play with her. She keeps taking Mom's ball. You just barely get in their mouth. They don't need the dustpan. Leave that. Leave it. Hey. Good girl. We're just looking for where the poo was to clean up. We always do that. Yep, where are we going? Okay, honey. That was no good. You caught it right in the air. I think she's still tied, so she figures that's about as far as she can go. Bee, get back here, leave the squirrel. Play. BJ. Stay. I can't get a picture of you if you're under my feet. This is BJ. This is now Stay. And this is our puppy that we have available right now. Move now. Move. Off. Back. 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 No, puppy's got it now. This is not for long. Really? What's going on here? Just good girl. You're done. That'll do. That'll do. You can go. You can go. That'll do, honey. That'll do. What? Just because I told you couldn't play with the squirrel? Yeah, off you go. Off you go. Move. Hey, puppy got the ball? That's very good. She doesn't go and take things from them. They let go, then she grabs it, but she doesn't take them from them normally. Just kind of wait for them to lose patience or lose interest for a minute. So that way I got my shadow. ball be? Or no? He's busy gardening the yard for the neighbor's dog. Quite upset about her all the time. She bothers our cat. Should we get it? Got it again. Should I get you another ball? Okay.